So hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial. Where in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can fix the issue if the WASD keys are swapped with the arrow keys on your Windows laptop or computer. Now this is one of the gaming feature that most of the games will and most of the gaming keyboards will provide you. Now in order to fix that, there's a quick and simple fix. Now simply press function key. You can easily find the function key right on the right side and left side of your Windows key. Press and hold the function key and then press W on your keyboard. What it does is simply resets the current alignment and it will fix your issue. Now this feature is basically useful for the gamers, but in the utility it will definitely causes some problem as this, and this fix will definitely help you. Alright, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.